Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Now we are talking about another branches of chemistry. Second one is organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? Those compounds that contains carbon and hydrogen, that is called organic chemistry. We have two structure when carbon atom linked with hydrogen atom, so that is called methane, and when hydrogen removed from the carbon atom, that is called carbon tetrachloride. So CCl4, it's a derivative of methane. Both are the compounds of organic compound. Okay, now what is the scope and application in organic chemistry? Basically, it's used in pharmaceutical company. Pharmaceutical company develop pharmaceutical drugs used as medicines, and another one is petrochemical. In it is just used in petrochemical industry, and it is also used in petroleum industry. Now we are talking about now we are talking about now we are talking about inorganic chemistry. What is inorganic chemistry? It is the study of all elements and their compounds except those of carbon and hydrogen. Examples are carbon dioxide, water, and H2SO4. Basically, H2SO4, it's a king of compound, king of acid. What is the scope and application of inorganic chemistry? It is used in glass industry, cement industry, and ceramic industry. Ceramic industry, just जो मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाए जाते हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है ceramic. Now we are talking about industrial chemistry. Basically, manufacturing of chemicals on commercial scale. Examples are oxygen, chlorine, ammonia, H2SO4. Basically बच्चों ये जो chemicals हैं ये बहुत huge condition में, huge commercially scale पर बनाए जाते हैं. There is so many processes. Whenever we are talking about H2SO4 के H2SO4 को किस तरीके से तैयार किया जाता है, कौन सा commercial scale होता है, that commercial scale is called कॉन्टेक्ट प्रोसेस के अकॉर्डिंग H2SO4 को बनाया जाता है. व्हाट इज द रॉ मटेरियल? क्लोरीन यूज्ड एज अ रॉ मटेरियल इन द यूजेज ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड पेस्टिसाइड्स.